So good morning from here in the village. As you can see, people are in the farm, different farms. From a distance, let me zoom. You can see people are in the farm, and also us here, we are in the farm. We are pouring fertilizer. You can see. Let me show you the process. This is CAN, calcium ammonium phosphate. This is how it looks like. I've just improvised where I can use to pour because it's a whole sack, but this is how it looks like. So you pour per stem, as you can see, like that. Here too, here. This is the whole process up to the end. You can see here I'm moving with my jerry can everywhere up to the time I'll be done. You can see we're pouring. If you see the white particles, these ones, they're the fertilizers, the CAN. Like here we've not, you pour direct to the stem like that. People are in the farm, and this is the life here in the village. So as you can see, we continue with the same process. This is beans. This one here is beans, and this one here is maize. So we'll do to the last bit, the entire farm. As you can see, it's not easy, but you have to do it so that your family cannot stay hungry. That's what we are doing. We are fighting hunger and poverty. That is what we are fighting. You can see. This is the case. And you're going to do, there are some people who are ahead of me who are doing the same, but I'm also doing it here. As you can see, I'm going on a line so that we don't miss a stem like that. This is the CAN, the same process to the end. You can see how this maize is taking shape like that. We're doing this to the whole farm. Now this is the African life, typical one. We just do using the hands. We don't use machines. You can see here. This is beans. Some people eat bean leaves with ugali. I hear it is a delicious meal, but for me, I've never tried. But you can see how the process goes. They've been tilling the land yesterday in the evening, so we had to wake up very early in the morning so that we can pour the fertilizer. You see, this one doesn't have fertilizer, so you put on the stems as seen below. You can see. So we are just waiting for the rain in the evening so that it can sink down with the fertilizer to the ground, like this one here. See, this is the life here in the village. You can see the entire part. The white particles that we are seeing here, the fertilizer and the entire place.